Planned unscheduled maintenance. Also known as run-to-failure maintenance, planned but unscheduled maintenance occurs in situations where the maintenance plan for an asset is to wait for it to break. This approach is typically reserved for assets that have little or no impact on production. Tools, such as power drills and measuring instruments, are a good example. It's wasteful to preemptively replace these tools, as they are inexpensive and are not critical to production. Instead, organizations keep extra tools on hand so they are available when one fails. This is still considered planned maintenance because the assets are tracked, and a strategy to repair them is in place when they wear out, instead of being caught off guard by failure.